this is the view.
I'm in the South Tower currently at the F02 residence, and I am on the 9th floor. What I love most about this 2-bedroom residence is that it has an east terrace as well as a west terrace.
As you can see here, our residences feature wide water intercoastal views as well as ocean views on the other side of Singer Island. I'm currently standing in our B02 residence on the 10th floor, which features over 720 square feet of outdoor space.
Currently standing in our North Tower in residence 1003. 1003 is a 1,500 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom that offers sprawling views of the Intracoastal, and at 75% under contract, we still have some availability, so call us today.
Nautilus, welcome.
Nautilus 220 in Lake Park, Florida. Live sea to sky.